mentoring program, it is really important at the mid of the program to meet and do several things. First of all, it is important to do the reflection on the mentoring process and mentoring relationship. And that's actually what we did today. We gathered our participants, our 50 mentees and mentors, and we offered them space for giving and receiving feedback. That's something that's of utmost importance in a mentoring program and in a mentoring relationship. And I will feel free to say it's of utmost importance in any professional cooperation to give feedback to each other. So our mentees and mentors had an opportunity in a safe space to give to each other feedback, how they are working in their mentoring relationship and how is the process going and what they like, what they don't like, what they would like to improve. So that was one part of today's gathering. So reflection on the previous 6 months and the mentoring process and mentoring relationship is the first part. The second part is, because the program is 1 year long and we are now in the middle of the program, the second part is checking our goals. We as mentees have set our goals at the beginning of the program and we want to work on them throughout the whole year. Because of the support by our mentors, these goals might have changed, and we have learned a lot about ourselves, about the environment, about our organizations, so these goals might have changed. So mid of the program is the perfect time to check the goals. So we were doing the goal checking session, talking about VUCA and SMART goals and so forth, in order to plan for the next 6 months. And it's also really important to mention that we are not planning only for these 6 months, but that we are doing a long-term planning. So with our mentors, we're kind of doing the strategic planning and dreaming, but then putting it back to the next 6 months, what it is that we will do within the mentoring process and program. And the last thing was connecting people within the program. There's 50 amazing people in this program, 25 mentees and 25 mentors, all of them with wealth of knowledge, experience, great organizations from throughout the Western Balkan region. And this is the great opportunity for them to find partners, cooperators, to start new programs together. So we had a speed dating networking session where they got a possibility to learn what it is that others in the room are doing, so they can reach out for them, but also not just for the cooperation, but to find maybe a co-mentor or a co-mentee, so that the horizontal learning can happen. So for us, midterm is one of the really important moments in the mentoring program, because we support our participants through that, and then we can be free for the next 6 months and sure that they will be empowered to go successful in their mentoring relationships.